In this video, we're going to take a step back on the before and after pseudo elements. We just want to have a bit of a closer look at it. Currently, we only have a single div called myDiv, and I've got a style on red on it. So what can I do with the before and after CSS selectors? So if I say div before, one of the properties that has to be there is the content. And I can give the content a value and say before colon space. And as you can see, the content shows before my actual div. And you can look at this before and after as if they are actual elements. So I can say div after, and I can say content is equal to my after value. And so just to make this a little bit more readable, we'll add a space to it. So it's as if I have three elements there. An element that contains the before, an element that's actually my real element, and an element after. And from a styling perspective, I can do pretty much the same thing. But why is this useful? One answer to the question is I can actually reduce the amount of divs that I have, but I can actually show more content. So I can have an attribute here, let's say data-age, and we'll just give it a value, let's say 30. And I can say, okay, well, the content that I want to display is actually that attribute value. So I can use the attr attribute or the attr function to go and read the attribute value and display it for me here. So I can say data-age, and as you can see now, there it is. But because this behaves like an element, I can actually add element type stuff to it. So I can say that my margin dash left is 1 rem. Well, let's make it 0.5 rem. Okay, so it behaves like an element. So I'm basically, for the price of one element, got 3 to my disposal.